Master Ultrasonic Testing UT from level 1 to level 2 and advanced techniques such as PAUT, TOFD, FMC and TFM. Ready to explore ultrasonic testing? Whether you are a beginner or advancing your skills, my Udemy courses offer a practical hands-on approach to mastering UT from basics to advanced techniques such as phased array, TOFD and FMC TFM. Why choose my courses? It is a practice-oriented learning. Gain real-world skills through demonstrations, quizzes and hands-on experiences and exercises. You will see how you can progress step by step. Start with UT level 1, advance to level 2 and master cutting-edge techniques such as phased array. You will gain globally relevant skills. Prepare for a high-demand career in industries like oil and gas, aerospace and automotive or others. You can get certification ready. Build confidence to pass exams and excel in your career. This is how to explore my courses. First, the UT Level 1 course. Here you can learn the fundamentals in UT like equipment use, flaw detection and calibration and more. To enroll, use the link further below. This represents the next level of UT, the UT Level 2 course. Advance your skills with data analysis using various flaw sizing methods and inspection procedures. To enroll, you also find the link further below. Last but not least, the PAUT course or PAUT course. Here you will discover phased array in the ultrasonics, the PAUT, and its real-world applications, and also learn how it combines with TOFD and TFM FMC techniques. Again, to enroll, you will also find the link further below. Why to learn UT, ultrasonic inspection? UT is a versatile, in-demand field used in industries like oil and gas, aerospace, and even unique applications like material properties, measurements, and many other applications. What makes my courses unique? These courses are hands-on learning. Practical exercises with real UT equipment. It is a career-focused training that means designed to help you achieve certification and advance your career. It also covers advanced techniques. You learn PAUT, TOFD and FNC TFM and much more. So these advanced techniques are for more precision and efficiency in ultrasonic testing. It may be your path to a rewarding career. Start with UT Level 1, no prior experience needed, progress to Level 2, and specialized in advanced techniques like PAUT. Explore high-demand opportunities with competitive salaries. Why to start learning advanced technologies like PAUT? PAUT revolutionizes non-destructive testing with unmatched accuracy. My course simplifies complex concepts, helping you unlock its potential and transform inspection processes. Well, I recommend to take the first step today. Join my students who have transformed their careers with my UT courses. Enroll now and start your journey towards a lucrative and rewarding career in ultrasonic testing.